Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the application that I've made using Agentic AI. The Agentic AI used is Klein, and the application is called FitPlan Pro, which is a comprehensive web application that generates customized fitness and meal plans based on the user provided health parameters. The application uses a modern Flask backend with responsive HTML, CSS format, front end. And let's say I come over here. Okay, I give in my username, the age, male, and you put in all your necessary inputs, and then you can also select the activity level that you have, the primary goal, the diet preference, and also check in allergy. And based on that, it will give you the BMI score and other health parameters like daily calories, BMR, TDE scores, etc. And will give you a 5-day workout routine along with meal plans. And not just that, for any of these meal plans, you get the macronutrients information, and also you get the links to the recipes. If you click on any of them, it opens YouTube with suggestions of that respective meal. Similarly, for the exercises as well, you can click on the link against the corresponding exercise, and it will open up YouTube suggestions of those exercises. And of course, you can always put in your email to send this plan directly to your mailbox. But right now it is a little manual where I have to click send. But in the longer run, I will make it completely automated using agent AI as well. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you.